Ever thought of exploring Kansas on a budget? Welcome to a journey where your wallet isn't the boss. A place where you can bask in the beauty of green parks, wander through free museums, and challenge yourself on hiking trails. Kansas is a treasure trove of experiences that don't break the bank. It's where affordability meets adventure, culture meets curiosity, and every turn holds a new surprise. So if you're on a tight budget, Kansas might be the perfect destination for you. Believe it or not, there are plenty of budget-friendly tours in Kansas. The heartland of America has a rich tapestry of experiences that won't cost you an arm and a leg. City tours offer a fantastic blend of urban charm and historical significance, often at a modest price or even free of charge. Hop on a historical tour to be transported back in time, discovering the stories and characters that shaped Kansas. But don't stop there. The state is teeming with wildlife, and there's no better way to experience it than through an affordable wildlife tour. Marvel at the bison herds of Maxwell Wildlife Refuge, or let the birdsong serenade you in Quivira National Wildlife Refuge. To find these budget-friendly tours, check out local tourism websites, visitor centers, and online travel platforms. Booking in advance can often save you a few bucks too. So, you see, exploring Kansas doesn't have to break the bank. Now, if you're more of an outdoorsy type, Kansas has got you covered. Kansas is an outdoor enthusiast paradise with a variety of budget-friendly camping options. From state parks to private campgrounds, there's a spot for everyone. Look for off-peak times and consider more rustic sites for the greatest savings. And remember, a little research goes a long way in finding the perfect campsite for your adventure. What's camping without a breathtaking view? Kansas boasts a plethora of natural beauty, with viewpoints that will leave you speechless. Take a hike up the Kanza Prairie for a sight of the rolling hills, or drive to the stunning Monument Rocks for a unique desert view. Don't forget to pack your binoculars and a good camera. The vistas are truly something to behold, and you'll want to capture every moment. Whether it's a fiery sunrise or a tranquil sunset, Kansas never fails to impress. In Kansas, you can enjoy nature's beauty without emptying your wallet. Hungry after all that exploring? Kansas has a range of affordable dining options. From the bustling food trucks serving mouth-watering barbecue to cozy local diners dishing up home-style meals, there's a plate for every palate. Fancy a slice of pizza? Kansas has it. Craving authentic Kansas fried chicken? It's here. And the best part is, these culinary delights won't burn a hole in your pocket. So go ahead, indulge in the taste of Kansas. In Kansas, satisfying your hunger doesn't mean sacrificing your budget. So there you have it, Kansas. A treasure trove of budget-friendly gems, from enthralling tours to cozy campsites, breathtaking viewpoints, and appetizing dining. It's a place where adventure meets affordability. If you want to explore more states on a budget, don't forget to subscribe.